Hello students, I am Umesh Mishra, math teacher of ALPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, today I am going to explain most interesting topic. Topic is perimeter and area. What is perimeter and area? First of all, I'll explain perimeter of any 2D shape. Here 2D shape means two dimensional. Two dimensional means कि shape in which length and breadth. 2D shape just like triangle, rectangle, square, trapezium, and are different types of quadrilateral. And other type of shape in which length and breadth is occur. So dear students, first of all I will explain perimeter of any 2D shape. First of all I will take example of rectangle. This is the rectangle. This is the rectangle. If you want to find out perimeter of rectangle A, B, C and D, then I will find out length of AB and BC, CD and AD. And if you add length of AB, BC, CD and DA, then we get the perimeter of rectangle. So it is clear that perimeter of any 2D shape is the sum of length of boundary of any 2D shape. 2D shape like rectangle, triangle, square, quadrilateral. So if you want to find out perimeter of rectangle, then as you know that in the rectangle length and breadth, so you consider this is the length, this is also will be equal to the L, and this is the length divided by L, and this is the breadth of rectangle. So if the BC is B, then BC will be equal to the AB. So AB will be equal to the B. So sum of boundary of rectangle, what will be? Perimeter of the rectangle. So perimeter of rectangle ABCD will be equal to the perimeter of rectangle ABCD equal AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So it will be equal to the here length of AB equal to B and BC will be equal to the L, and length of CD B and length of AD is L. So I will add L plus L. So it will be equal to the 2L, and B plus B will be equal to the 2B. So perimeter of rectangle will be equal to the 2L plus 2B. We can also write as 2L plus B unit. Here L is the length of rectangle and B is the breadth of rectangle. L is the length of rectangle and B is the breadth of rectangle. So dear student, I hope that this is clear to you, that formula of rectangle will be equal to the 2L plus B. L is the length of rectangle and B is the breadth of rectangle. Now I will find out area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. First of all, area of rectangle. Area of rectangle. So dear students, first of all I will explain what is area of 2D shape. What is area? Area means space occupied by any 2D shape is called area of the 2D shape. Suppose that this is rectangle ABCD and this rectangle ABCD occupied this area. This area occupied by the rectangle ABCD. So this shaded portion is the area of this rectangle. So how I find out this total space occupied by the rectangle? So here length of rectangle is the L and breadth of rectangle is the B. So area of rectangle will be L into B a square unit. Here if length and breadth is centimeter, then area of rectangle will be centimeter square. If length and breadth is in the meter, then area of rectangle will be meter square. Now how I will find out area and perimeter of a square? So dear student, as you know, in the square all sides are equal. It means length and breadth are equal. So take an example of square A, B, C, D, and take the length of AB, BA centimeter and As you know, all sides of a squares are equal. So if AB equal 8 centimeter, then BC will be also equal to the 8 centimeter. BC will be also equal to the 8 centimeter, and AD will be also equal to the 8 centimeter. So perimeter of a square will be equal to the perimeter of a square equal to the length of AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Here length of AB is A, so A plus A plus A plus A, then it will be equal to the 4A. Here A is the side of a square. So we can say perimeter of a square will be equal to the 4 multiplied by side of a square. It means if we want to find out perimeter of a square, then if we multiply 4 and side of a square, then we get the perimeter of a square. Now I'll find out area of the square. Area of a square. Area of a square. Area of a square, as you know, all sides of a square are equal. Then area of a square will be equal to the side multiply side. Here length of side is A, then it will be equal to the A multiply A equal A square unit. It means if side is given in centimeter, then area of the square will be a square centimeter, and if side of the square given in meter, then area of the square will be a square meter. Now I'll find out perimeter of rectangle. For this you consider a right angle triangle. A, B, C. Here angle B is right angle, and length of AB is A, length of BC is B, and length of AC is C. So, dear student, as you know that perimeter of 2D shape equals sum of all sides. So, here perimeter of right angle triangle ABC equal to A plus B plus C unit. It will sum up all sides, so A plus B plus C. Now, if you want to find out area of right angle triangle ABC, this area occupied by this right angle triangle, the area of this right angle triangle. So area right angle triangle ABC is colon by 2 into base into height. 1 by 2 into base into height. Here base is BC and the length of BC is B. So 1 by 2 into B into height is A square unit. So area of right angle triangle ABC will be equal to the 1 by 2 AB square unit. So dear students, I hope that this is clear to you. Next video I will explain area of circle, area of semicircle and area of quadrant. Thank you so much.